Hello guys! What I'm going to teach you today is how to clean your face, but I am talking about the normal soap. I am talking about this black sea salt bubble mask. What does it do? It's a black mask and it has water, but after some time, like, it has bubbles, so it cleans from inside to outside. Let's get started. Let's open the mask. First, I need to take my glasses off. Goodbye. Maybe it's cold, but if you can see, it has bubbles already. It's really fast. Can you see the bubbles getting bubblish? Not on my face. Like a porn video. I'm going to apply it. Try to get in the parts like it cannot reach because your face is fucking big. And now we need to wait for like, I guess, 10 minutes. Yeah. If you are wondering where did I buy this mask, it was on Taobao, our favorite Chinese app. I can feel like the bubbles, like that sound, and it feels like tiny pinch, not pinch, but you feel like the bubbles pop. You can call it like this. And another thing is the mask is falling, like gravity is doing its work, so every minute the mask is going down and like it's touching my eyes. I'm going to remove the mask now, so my face is really clean. Can you see like all the bubbles? It's like spongy. I need to wash my face and I'll be back. Now that I rinsed my face, my skin feels like dry. I need like to moisturize or whatever that word is. I have this another mask. It's Miu Miu Yong. It's Japanese. I don't know how to read Japanese. So, but it's hyaluronic acid hydrating and repair facial mask. Let's start step number 2. You can see that it's Asian because it has these kind of eyes, like my eyes are extremely bigger than this. If you have liquid left, you can just like squeeze it and apply it everywhere else, like arms, neck, ears, tummy, any part you need, because you cannot waste. People are starving in other countries and you are wasting your money in beauty products. So don't waste and use all the liquid. This liquid, it's like cum. never waste a drop. Never. Okay, we need to have this mask around 15 minutes to get the best results. Okay, time is up and we need to be ready to rinse. So after we rinse our face, our neck, our hands and our arms, as you can see, my skin it's clean, shiny, moisturized, perfect skin after this tutorial. This is all for today. Goodbye. Sayonara. Because I use Japanese mask, so I'm fluent in Japanese now, motherfuckers.